Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see. But now the never, ever, ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. Big ass, I get that. Ooh, baby. Big ass.
You guys get to ask your question about the safe house. What do you want to know?
So, you're trying to get cute today, but let me show you why I may not be going anywhere. Don't look like I'm going anywhere now. Yes, I just sip my wine and watch and count the raindrops. Listen, these brows just will not act right to me. I know brows supposed to be cousins, not sisters, but it's like this one is longer than this one here. Like up in this area here, it's like this one is longer. So we're just gonna sit here and play and makeup, and hopefully the rain stop and I could go somewhere and do something for myself, because I actually want to do like a solo date. But if not, just gonna continue sipping my glass of wine and enjoy how cute my makeup gonna turn out. All right, y'all, I don't have long, so I was able to make it out. It done start raining, as you all can see, but I'm about to head to the movies and see the movie Beast. So pretty much this is a simple solo for me. I'm gonna go and find me some drinks and go buy me some flowers, you know, something just to make me feel good, feel better, feel good about myself, just a little care to myself or whatever. I'm still playing around like with my hair, but it's not turning out like everything that I thought it was gonna be. My hair, it's okay, but my makeup seems like it's not. I should have went with a matte look. I went with a dewy look, something that I usually don't do. So I don't know, you guys tell me in the comment section. I don't know, but we almost to the movie, so talk to you guys a little bit later. But we're going to see Beast. That's what we're going to see.
Your rap sheet that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you.
Take the wheel! Take the wheel now!
All right, guys, so something just looks so different about my makeup today. I don't know, maybe it's the quality that I'm filming on or what, I don't know, but when I look close, it doesn't. But when I'm far back, it looks real funny looking. But anyways, y'all, the movie was good. That movie was good. Beast, it was really good. I recommend it. I recommend it. So go ahead and check it out. Try to give y'all a little snippet of it. I don't know, it kind of feel awkward with me doing stuff by myself. I'm not gonna lie, because I'm always doing something with the kids or my husband. But I guess I gotta make the best of it, right? So I'm trying to get into this woman. Pretty much I am trying to be her, as in doing things for myself. Don't let others do things for me, but just to start to embrace myself, start choosing me more often. And that's pretty much what I'm doing at this point here. I'm choosing me. So yeah, so we're gonna go find some drinks. I didn't get to show you guys an OOTD because I was rushing out the house, because when I left the house, it was 4:55. The movie started at 4:55, so that means I had the previews to pretty much get here, so I didn't have time to give you guys an OOTD. But what I just show you guys once I get home and stuff like that. But so let's go find some drinks. Okay, y'all, so we're going to go to Bahama Breeze. That's where I'm sitting at right now, because I'm kind of nervous to go other places and stuff that I have not been to yet. I hate when people just like stare at you crazy and stuff, but I'm gonna get out of this fear, y'all. I think it's more of my self-conscious fear. Pretty much that's what it is. I deal with that a whole lot. But I'm gonna go to Bahama Breeze and get these drinks that I seen. It's like 3 little drinks that they have, and 3, I don't know what name they call, but I'm gonna go test those out and find some type of appetizer so we can indulge in and just chill out there for a while. And pretty much then we're gonna go to the store and pick up my flowers and stuff. I may go back home, I don't know, honestly, because I'm not dressed down for like go other place and stuff. Like I said, I'll show you guys the OOTD once I get to the house and stuff like that. But yeah, I know it's crazy. I'm about to be 40 years old and I'm like this, but I'm so used to being with my husband all the time. So yeah, that's the crazy part. And then also growing up, you know, I had my brother, then I had my best friend. So, you know, you're always out and about with other people. So I'm not anti-social though, but I'm not that. I socialize. If you talk or speak to me, I socialize. I mean, you have a good vibe going on, I don't mind talking to you. I'm very friendly, but I'm not that person to pretty much spike up a conversation like that all the time or whatever. You know, I say little things, but not be there like, hey, how are you? You know, da 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 da. I'm Valerie or this, that. I'm not that person there. I'm not that person there. No, I'm not that person. So let's go on in here, Charlie, and go get us drinks. And this is gonna be the beginning of us choosing me. The beginning of me choosing me. And we're gonna see how far this can go. Cause 40, we gotta be definitely out of this shell here. We have to, cause it's gonna be a lot of solo dates and stuff. So I'm gonna have to get up out of this damn shell, cause I can't be stuck in that house. No ma'am. No ma'am. So let's get ready to go, child. I'm gonna bag it. Ooh.
Hey baby, do you believe me when I say I miss you so? It seems like your mind is elsewhere.
Okay, y'all, so I'm getting this here. Flight to Paradise, which is the Mama Hoochie Hollow. Yeah, it's gonna be Bahama Mama, One Love, and Painkiller. It's 3 different drinks, and pretty much that's what we're gonna get. So I'm gonna show you guys once they do come out, though. But child, when he said a Mama Hoochie and Holler, I said, well, what's that? So this is what it is. So we're gonna get, and I'm also gonna get the whole jerk chicken wings, other than just a classic. It's $14.49, but these are $1 more. So I'm gonna try these just because they got a little bit more flavor with them. So I'm gonna try those. Here we go. Okay. Look at that, so cute and mini.
I swear, we got a couple of good counts in them. Everybody like,
yeah,
whichever store you prefer.
Okay.
Just let me know if you want me to move in to eat too. I got you.
Okay, I do actually, Angel. I want to go ahead and try your whole jerk chicken wings.
Got it.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. So this is what they look like, child, and cute. So this one is, let's see, Bahama Mama, One Love, and Painkiller. I don't know which is what, but we're gonna figure out which is what. I overlooked the thing. Bahama Mama is this one right here, and this one is the One Love, and this is the Painkiller. So this is really cute though. All right, y'all. So the jerk chickens done came out, so they supposed to be crispy and delicious on the inside, and that's the jerk chicken sauce with a slice of pineapple. So this is what we're gonna be having right now. This is what we got.
You ever believe it's true? You're all for someone new. I've never felt this stupid thinking I'm enough for you. Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so.
This painkiller pretty good. We had a time last night.
Hey baby, do you believe me when I say I miss you so? It seems like your mind is elsewhere. Whenever
They got my favorite. They got some. We gonna get Stella Blue. That's what we're gonna get.
you're on something you're not telling me yet.
All right, Queens and Kings. So this is pretty much what I have on, what I wore. So starting off with some earrings that I got from Ucha. I'm sorry, what I got from the beauty store is my initial of V. This necklace here I got from Amazon. This silver one is from TJ Maxx. I have on jewelry, my little rings and stuff that I got from, I want to say TJ Maxx as well. Bracelet. I'm not sure where I got them from, but my top is basically a shirt that I got from Walmart, Lion King, and I just basically pinned it up under my bra to give like a crop top vibe, but I cut it down the middle because it's an old shirt, so give me the V, you know, it can showcase my necklace. And then I have on these sweats, nothing more, and my slides. But I also wear, so I did carry my YSL bag, honey. So I did carry her with me. So this is pretty much what it was, simple, just because it was raining, so that's why I didn't want to do a whole lot with what I was gonna put on, or heels or anything like that. So I'm okay with that, and I just got these up like they high waist or whatever, because I actually like how I make my booty look. Booty. Okay, I'm doing too much, but yeah, so that's pretty much what I will. So now I think I'm taking me a bath.
This stupid thinking I'm enough for you. Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so certain that I've had enough for you. I believe it's true. You're all for someone new. I've never felt this stupid thinking I'm enough for you. Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so certain that